Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, August 19, 2025. Maine Mendoza binatikos ng amining na in love kay Alden, nakiusap sa fans. Iba-iba ang naging reaksyon ng publiko at ng netizens sa mga naging revelasyon ni Maine Mendoza tungkol sa kanila ni Alden Richards. May mga humanga sa tapang at pagpapakatotoo ng TV host actress pero meron ding mga nambengga sa kanya matapos ng aminin na totoong na in love siya noon kay Alden. Ito yung kasagsagan ng kasikatan ng tambalan nilang Aldab na nagsimula sa phenomenal hit segment ng Eat Bulaga, na kalyeserye ilang taon na ngayon ang nakararaan. Pero tulad ng inaasahan, hati ang reaksyon ng kanilang mga supporters. May na-turn off kay Maine dahil super late na raw ang kanyang pag-amin at may nagalit din kay Alden dahil parang binaliwala lang daw nito ang damdamin ng dating ka-love team. Kaya naman sa pamamagitan ng ex, nagpaliwanag si Maine sa ginawang revelasyon at kung bakit ngayon lang niya inamin ang naging feelings kay Alden. Okay, so about the last podcast episode. Una sa lahat, I didn't think the part about my story with Alden would spark controversy, let alone be a big deal, considering that everyone had already moved on from Kalyeserye and Aldab. From the start, I hoped the clashes between fans on both sides would end, at least, even though the hate train aimed at me was non-stop then and apparently still remains so, ang simulang pagbabahagi ng misis ni Kong Arjo Atayde. Ayon kay Maine, ang point talaga ng naturang podcast ay, to look back on Kalyeserye and to discuss and share behind-the-scenes stories, the untold ones, and that can include personal experiences, narratives, and sentiments. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, I believe it's not a bad thing to share a personal story related to the question and topic, as long that it's based on facts. There was no malice or ill intent behind my sharing that story about myself, him, and us. Sa huli, may pakiusap pa si Maine sa lahat, PS. Please don't throw hate on Alden. Regardless of what he meant by his words, it was really for the best for both of us and our situation at that time. Don't read much into it. Bisitahin ang website ng Bandera para sa kabuuan ng artikulo at i-follow ang ex account ni Maine Mendoza. E-click ang link sa description box, at bukas ang comment section para sa inyong mga opinion. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios!